One, two, three, four. Okay, guys, you definitely had time to go ahead and click skip that ad. We are here now. Hopefully, you're in here. We got Victor JB and Crypto Rocketeer. Boom! Always dabbing on them. If anybody else is in the chat, let me know if you were able to get through the ad quick enough so that you saw the start here. Vasteel, what's going on? Hey, I was on track for 50, but things went south an hour ago. Anyway, off to another meeting. I'll be back on after 4 p.m. JB, man, thank you very much. But hey, who knows? We can bounce. We can still get you $50 plus close. I hope we do. I don't know if we will or not. I'm first. Victor is first today. What's going on, Victor? Let's see what AMC is doing. $47.15 right now. It has been coming down since we left for our lunch break so long ago. What do we have, though? On the day, we seem to... we're pulling back a little bit, possibly breaking through that support line there. And we might see another one in here. Hopefully we do. Or just prepare for a potential $46 range again. How do we need major power? Yes, wow, we do need a major power hour, Alan. Absolutely. Baldelli says, let's go. Come on, man. What's up, Muhammad? Y'all about to waste your time looking at someone talk about a fake price. Victor Da Vinci. What do you mean a fake price, man? You don't think that you can buy and sell AMC for $47 per share? Or do you think that the fake price is like somewhere else, like the dark pools? What are you talking about? What FTU user, how can we tell once the short has started? I know watching the short interest, but where is it displayed? So listen, estimated short interest is the best you can get if you're looking for real time, and I hate to call it real time, but if you're looking for real time data, places like Ortex are the best place that you're going to get this estimated data. Please remember that it's estimated because actual short share only get reported twice a month. So you have to be worried about that, whether or not it's actually, accurate or if it's just estimated. If you want to go along with it and don't want to pay for an Ortex subscription, hang on in here. Nick always hooks us up with Ortex updates, or you can follow Ortex on Twitter. They talk about AMC every single day because they, know how popular it is. I was born at a very young age. Xavier, I also was born at a very young age. Feversvold, what's going on, man? Clay, bro, Nick F. Nick F., were you in here? Did you see that I paused like 5 seconds, hoping you guys were able to skip the ad? It's my choice to be here. Thank you, Victor. Yes, it is, Vasteel. Thank you. When Lambo. Eddie Do, man. Soon Lambo. Sup, Clay? JMJ, how you doing? Crypto Rocketeer, already timing people out. 1 minute into the live. Doing work, man. I don't know. I think Victor was talking about some fake prices. I don't know if he was coming in hot or if he's just upset that AMC is trading at $47 right now or what the deal is. I hatched at a very young age. Interesting, Sam. Tell me more about this hatching experience you had. Jason, howdy. Howdy, Jason. So is Gary Gensler on the Abe side or not? Listen, man, I don't think that anybody in a position of power is on the apes side. That's not how apes work or Planet of the Apes work or this whole David versus Goliath mentality works. And it's very simple. We don't have a hard game to play, man. We buy, we hold, we win, and we are taking down the big money, man. We're taking it from them. That's all we got to do is hold the stock, and we get it. Nope, I missed it, but everyone that was here appreciated it, I'm sure. Dude, I don't even think anybody cares. Wrong Victor. Not that Victor. The other Victor. John Smith, dunno, changes with the weather, apparently. John Smith. So, yeah. Okay, good deal. I'm legally not allowed to discuss it. Interesting. But all I will say is that at Area 51 raid went down, you guys would know all about it. I want to know all about your hatching story, man. Somebody needs to go raid Area 51 right now. And then also, AMC will go up if you do. So, go raid Area 51, and we can watch AMC bounce into the afternoon. And we can know Sam Blow's hatching story, because that actually sounds better than an AMC closing lower story today. I would rather watch a Sam Blow hatching story. All right, so 46.84 is the break-even line that we need to be worried about today. 46.84. We're going to call it right now, guys. I'm calling over. You guys call over or under on 46.84. Green today or red today? Over or under? I'm calling over. I'm calling a bounce. Hodl baby, short film channel, absolutely. They're going for the $45 calls tomorrow. Louis, they could be, man. They could be. I've also described from Simulating Trades video, he isn't for AMC anymore like he used to be. So disappointing. You know what, John Smith? I noticed a lot of people, they might still be for AMC and GME and this whole movement, but it's funny, man, how they're starting to dilute their channels. I think that there's a side of them, just as a person on YouTube, that's slightly concerned what they're going to be doing after AMC, and I get that part. But at the same time, the focus on AMC is the only thing that's going to drive this stock to where we need it to go. Like, I get technical analysis is fun, all this other shit, like looking at other stocks that are moving, it is fun, but there's something different about AMC, man, and it does pain me to see people trying to, one, worry about after AMC, but also at the same time diluting what's going on with AMC. And I think we need to keep the focus, and we can just figure out after, and not worry about it now. Adma, e aí, Adma, como você tá? Espero que você tá bem hoje. If BBIG closes over 10, I'm gonna surprise my girlfriend with the 800, with this like 800 hairdryer setup she wants. Interesting, man. An 800 hairdryer setup. I think it's an $800 hairdryer setup she wants. Let's go, BBIG 10. I don't have my stinking tablet over here. Darn it, man. I want to see what's BBIG at right now. Gosh, we need a picture-in-picture with BBIG right now. Let's I gotta see if Sam's gonna buy this hairdryer, man. Customize. We might have to set this whole thing back up. Dang it, I don't want to do it. I don't want to do it right now in front of everybody. 800. We need to know. What's BBIG at? AMC do hit different. It does, Xavier. It does. I mean, it's fun watching all the other stuff about all the other stocks. But, man, AMC, don't lose focus. No, it's a wall of hairdryers. Like 800 to be exact. Dang, man. Now that sounds like something I'm interested in. Could you imagine? You guys could do like indoor skydiving and stuff with 800 hairdryers. Just blow all day long. Hi, the Marine Corps Brett. Marine Corps Brett is here. Marine Corps Brett, we're here for you. How's your day going? Hopefully it's going very well. Estaria melhor se AMC continuasse subindo e não caindo. Eu concordo 100% com você, Adma. You should Celius. Maybe. Does anyone use Fidelity trying to buy ILUS and said no market order less than $1? I have a penny stocks enabled. I do not use Fidelity. Anybody in here on Fidelity, let my man know. I have plenty of money in the account as well, too. I don't know what it is, dude. I don't know what it is. Anybody having trouble buying ILUS on Fidelity? We are going to close it red again, but tomorrow is a big day. Chris is calling under. I'm calling over. Let's see what we got. The brand that makes it is called Sam Blow. Dude, now I know why Sam's so cool, because he owns a hairdryer factory. Yeah, man, she's trying to destroy my electric bill harder than Clay's like button. Dang it, man. Click that like button. Dude, it's alright, though. You destroy the, you destroy your work's Wi-Fi watching the stream all day, so it's a fair trade, man. Ilios is kicking butt. It might be, man. I don't even know what it's at right now. Should I buy a put for AMC? Giroux, if you think that AMC is going to continue down, absolutely you could buy a put for AMC, but I don't know if you think it's going to go down or not. I personally think we're going to bounce off support, but they may have, and it depends where you buy your put for it too, but they may try and drive the price down tomorrow so that options don't expire in the money. 46.46 Clay. Crypto Rocketeer says we're closing at 46.46 today. 46.46. Oh, dude, I got one right there anyway. I'll just use that one. 46.46. No, not 46.47. We'll just move this one up. Or down, sorry. 46.46, man. That's you, crypto. JB's way up there at like 51 or something. We need to protest. Same crap, different day. I've seen a lot lose focus on AMC. Do you think it's because it gets tiring to the same stock all the time, especially when nothing is changing much? You mix it up, unicorns, bananas, keep it fun. Pringleton, it could be. It could be. But here's the deal, man. I don't mind actually talking about AMC every single day. I don't mind it. Other people might mind it, yes. And I also think that it's a mix of that and the fact that they're kind of concerned about what are they going to do after AMC, so they're trying to transition a little bit too early, in my opinion. But yeah, it could do with the fact that they get bored easily too. Actually, it isn't my work's Wi-Fi. It's my mother's cell phone plan with unlimited data. Shout out to you, Mom. What's up, Mom? Make sure Mom subscribes to the channel as well, Mr. Blow. Claybro, thanks for the amazing support. Positive energy is contagious. Holding for the mother of all short squeezes and not distracted with other stocks or plays. Merciful Ninja. Very nice. You guys are allowed to diversify. You're allowed to buy other stocks and stuff. I just want to keep the focus on AMC in here. Sure, we can talk about you guys are making money on other stocks and stuff like that. But as far as like pulling them up, checking them out, and doing all that, hang out with Matt Kors if you guys want to check out all that stuff. But, yeah, I have no problem with diversifying and getting into other plays as well. There's 50 people viewing, but only 27 likes. Y'all owe me 23 likes. Let's get it! You owe Chris 23 likes. Make sure to click that like button. Shout out to Mr. Simon for asking MK about a collab with Clay, and he said yes. And he said, yeah, I don't know, man. Oh, man, I messaged that dude. So, I don't even know if, Clay Bro in the house, baby. Welcome back, Clay Bro. Thank you very much, Mr. Simon. I appreciate that. I messaged Kors on Twitter, so I don't know if he really wants to do anything or not. I mean, they're counting their eggs before they even get to the grocery store to buy them. Dang, dude. I mean, I guess at least they know how many eggs they're going to have, but shoot. They're probably cooking before they even own them, too. It's bad news. Ooh, actually, somebody, I don't even know if they're in the chat right now. They asked me to do they want me to sponsor one of those smart wallets or one of those cool wallets. Does anybody actually use wallets like, I think I got one in my pocket. Anybody actually use wallets like this? Like these right here? Because I do, and I don't think they knew that I used one of these, but I would actually use an affiliate link if they had one because I like that wallet. I'm a beginner too, that's why I just buy AMC instead of messing with options. Well, there you go, Brett, and nothing wrong with that. Tell me this, man. Are you profitable on your AMC? Most likely, yes. Speaking of other streamers, I'm curious about your opinion. Matt Perry says penny cryptos aren't the same as penny stocks, and MK says they are. What do you think? Are they equally as dangerous? Yeah, dude. First of all, I think that any crypto is probably just as dangerous, if not more dangerous, than stocks. Crypto's a dangerous place to begin with, but when you're starting to talk about, and you know what? I don't know about penny cryptos in the form of like $1 or just less than $1. If you're starting to talk about Dogecoin and stuff like that, yeah. But remember, all cryptos started out, I can't say all, but all these bigger cryptos started out at very low prices, and they're doing very well. So as far as like a penny stock not having any fundamentals, not necessarily growing, and potentially being driven down from very high prices to where they are now, that adds to the danger in penny stocks. But I think that I think crypto is just inherently dangerous as well. And by dangerous, I just mean more volatile, because I do think that crypto has a positive future. So I don't want to say dangerous, I want to say volatile. Kleber, I appreciate your content, dig your energy. Jared, I dig the fact that you're in here, man. Thank you very much. Good afternoon. I just joined. Have we squeezed yet? Maestre, no, we have not. All apes should buy one before the close to drive it up. Brian, I mean, if you guys want to, we could. I don't know if all apes buying one would actually drive the price up. It might, but what about Shiba Inu? But that's a little tricky when you live in New York. Why is it tricky, man? You could buy it on Webull, but I don't know what New York laws you got going on over there, man. Travex wallets rock. This wasn't a Travex brand, but has anyone thought about making a banana stand wallet? Somebody needs to make a banana stand wallet because the money is always in the banana stand. Cole is guessing close today at 47.25. Cole's got 47.25 today. I got positive territory. Anything above 46.84. Crypto Rocketeers calling 46.46. And JB was way up at like 50 or 51. Reason being for this is because it's a high risk stock trading penny stocks, and you have to agree to the terms before trading penny stocks on Fidelity. Yeah, penny stocks are volatile, just like crypto. No, New York laws don't allow. They don't allow crypto, or they don't allow crypto trading, or what? Like, can you trade crypto on Webull if you live in New York? Because technically you're not buying and selling actual crypto at that point because you can't transport it out to a wallet. That's interesting, man. I didn't know that New York was doing that. Clay, I've watched your videos on how we set the price, hold it to crazy high prices, etc. But I feel the apes need to be more aware of the halts, not to panic sell when there are halts. Because you add, yeah, Ross, I actually did a video, maybe it was 2 days ago, talking about what to expect during the volatility with AMC. And I did talk a lot about halts, but I could briefly discuss it maybe at the end of the videos too, just like throughout don't panic if we do halt and stuff. But I did go into what to expect volatility wise when it comes to AMC and the squeeze. Nope, no Weeble. Dude, get Weeble. Should probably be pretty good. New York doesn't allow crypto trading. I wonder if it's actually crypto trading or if that would be like derivatives trading at that point, since you don't actually own the crypto that you could transport out to a cold wallet and stuff. I would look into that. Let's face it, AMC, we're going to need a lot of patience with it. AMC is just as volatile as crypto. Just hold no sell button. Yes, Jaga, and we will hold no sell button here until the squeeze happens. I'm pretty sure you can get something to change your location, but yeah, I don't know how it works. All I know is I did it while on deployment in Japan to keep my US Netflix the same. Yeah, dude, you could get a VPN too, but at that point, how bad do you really want to trade crypto? Pam in the house, baby. Woo, here I am. Woo, here I am. Woo, here I am. What's up, Pancakes? How you doing? Oh, yeah, Scott, that's right. Penny stocks requires funds to settle before you go trade penny stocks. That's correct. John Smith, hopefully somebody's helping you out there. Scott, you got your settled funds, or what do you got there? Right, Jared, I've been buying BTC using Coinbase, but pretty much that's it. No Doge, no Sheeb. Man, hello, Pancakes. I hope you're having a great day. Frodo, Pancakes, Frodo. All day long. What did you eat? I'm getting hungry. Pam, I just had protein for lunch today. I didn't actually eat anything. It's called VPN. Yes, it is oil tipped. VPNs all do that. Yeah, and I mean, if you want to pay for a separate location, you can, but they've all got, like, if you want a free version, you've got different locations that you can choose. Hey, Vidge, Evergrande, and not going to be able to pay their interest. Dang, man. Sucks when you can't pay your bills, doesn't it? Especially when you're a multi-billion-dollar property developer in China. I'm hoping for a lot sooner, but my next big spike prediction is 292 by the middle of October. Cool. I want to see 292. That would be amazing, man. Maybe I meant 47, 46. Woohoo! Crypto! I hope you meant 47, 46, man. Not settled yet. Well, Scott, you should be good then if you're using settled funds to buy penny stocks. That might be the problem. Clever, you think there'll be a battle for 50 tomorrow? Dude, I hope there's a battle for 50 tomorrow, but where we are right now, if we battle to the upside, I think the battle's going to be at around $48 again, man. If I'm just being honest with you, I think the battle's going to be around $48 before we battle for 50 again. I truly do. I don't see us breaking through this level as easily as we broke down through it. I think it's going to hold up to the upside a little bit more. Dang. 46.75. You know what that means? That means we might need to put Natalie break even back on here. 46.62. Gosh. 46.62 for Natalie. 46.62. Let's see. 62? Yeah. 46.62. This is Natalie's break even. Even though she's not in here, her break even lives on. My goodness. Natalie, we've got you. You can make this. Darn it, AMC. Come on. Thanks, John Smith. Absolutely. Guys, that's the benefit of hanging out with all these people out there. If you got a question like that, somebody can help you out with it, because I don't use it. Claybro, what's up, Ape Father? Is this the real one? Remember to buy fractional shares on Fidelity. No Robinhood or Weeble allow. Well, real Ape Father or not real Ape Father? Yes, but I use Weeble. That shorts haven't covered. Shorts have not covered, Jared. Absolutely. I'm thinking 50 because of the call options. Man, these hedgies always screw us up. They do, legendary. They're going to try their best. And think about it, man. You would too. They're going to try their best to drive the price down because they are losing billions of dollars on AMC right now. You get an account out there. I don't know the size of your account, but let's say you got in at $50 per share and you're down $3.15 per share right now. Okay. They're down billions of dollars. Billions with a B on AMC alone. Clay, how many shares did they borrow today? Eric, good question. Nick, NT, if you get Ortex data, hook us up. Serious question. I know. Anyone considering changing their social media profiles after the month of short squeezes, you think scammers will be all over us? Anyone who comments on AMC vids, use Twitter tags, etc. Dude, I'm not gonna change my name on YouTube. I'm certainly gonna be Claybro I'm not gonna change my name anywhere. Claybro right here and Claybro883, Twitter and Instagram. Go follow me right now. Apefather, go scream at an unsteady camera phone for 4 minutes. Thanks. I don't know if it's a real Apefather or not, but yes, go do that, Apefather. A lot of people really like the funny content you make, man. So I say keep entertaining people, keep being you. In 2 weeks, I'll be getting a projector, and Clay is about to get a lot bigger. John Smith. You're gonna have to tag me in a picture on Twitter of what I look like on a projector. I've never seen that. TV, people have shown me pictures of me on TV, but I've never seen me on a projector. So that sounds like something I'm interested in. So let's get started. I'm so over this corruption. Aisha out. Nobody likes corruption. Nobody likes it. I don't know what we can say that hedge funds are losing money because we don't know how much money they've been making. No. We know they've been losing money on AMC, though, on their short positions. So you are correct, man. Overall, I'm sure they're making money on their broader portfolios. But on their AMC short positions, they have been losing billions of dollars. Victor! What is this? Oh my gosh. I don't know what to do when somebody sends it and it's not PDP, because this isn't the PDP. But, I don't know. Vicky. Vicky Matufur. Vicky Matufur. Vicky Matufur. Vicky Matufur. Vicky Matufur. Vicky Matufur. Vicky Boo. Thank you very much, Vicky, for the super sticker. I appreciate that. And it's difficult when your name is not PDP and the LPDPD doesn't get thrown there, but I like it, Victor. Thank you very much, man, for the super sticker. I love it, and hopefully it works. Hopefully your name works in the song there, and thank you very much for the super sticker and providing a little bit of entertainment for everybody in here watching AMC right now. Thank you guys very much for all of the super stickers that come across, especially the ones that make me get a little warm and make me start to sweat. So thank you for the exercise, and thank you for the support, man. I appreciate that. Money is not an issue. They got more loans and eventually bail out. Scott, yeah, I don't think that money's going to be the issue for them. I think that restricting supply is going to be the issue for them. Hedge Magasto, nice. I loved it, Loved it, Loved it, thanks. Well, good deal, Victor. I love doing it for you, man. I believe they've been making money on AMC as well, not just losing because they're not fools. No, they have been making, some of them have been. I think there's either I forget the exact number now. There's either 34 or 39 institutions that are only short on AMC. The rest of them are hedged. So some of them have been making money on the upside, but there's still like 39 or 34 institutions that are strictly short. And they've been getting ripped on AMC. Claybro has some good moves. DD214. Ooh. No, I don't, man. No, I don't. But thank you. Nick's got the Ortex update. Ortex update. Estimated short interest change down 0.1%. Return shares 3.95 million. Borrowed shares 3.84 million. Borrowed change down 106,000. Estimated current short interest free float 18.74%. Estimated current short interest 95.86 million shares. Thank you very much, Nick, for the Ortex update. And Eric, I know you were asking about that, so there it is for you, man. Yep. 46 is the new support level. It looks like higher lows is better than nothing. Higher lows is better than nothing, man. So hopefully we bounce off of it though. And I want to end in the green today. Claybro got the moves. Never. Crypto Rocketeer, thank you very much for the repeated Ortex update. I like it. And just in case you guys didn't see the first one, there you go with the second one. Nick says no problem. That's what I'm talking about. Nick is our Ortex man. Clay, did you say you live in Ohio? Amish country? I do live in Ohio, Scott. And this is my wagon lap right here, dude. I actually live in a wagon. That's my wagon lap. Thought it was ship lap at first, but no, dude, it's definitely wagon lap. John, that's an impenetrable Natalie support line there. Ooh, yes, we cannot penetrate the Natalie support line. We could never do that. This 46.62 is Natalie's break even, so we want to stay above this at all costs. But I want to close above 46.84 today because that's the break even line for the day. So I want to close above that. Counselor Murray! Hedgie sucking up people's buzzer beater options again. Buy shares, people. They do it all the time. They do it all the time. It's an easy way for them to make money. Did my phone just vibrate? They do it all the time, man. Counselor Murray is right. They want to see everybody lose money on options. So, yes, if you don't get out of your options early while you are profitable, you could very well see something like we're seeing right now, and they try to drive it down end of week so that options expire out of the money and worthless. We do not like that. No options, only shares for me, Christine. I currently only have shares in AMC as well. Does that mean they have to buy back 95 billion? Still learning? Sorry. Kathy, I'm the 95 billion. Do they have to buy back 95 billion? No. They do not have to buy back 95 billion. If you could explain where you got the 95. Oh, no. Okay, so in the utilization. Gotcha. Got that. Okay, so Kathy, we're talking about the utilization rate and stuff there. Then, yes. In that case, 95 shares. I was like, 95 billion. That's an M. I think you meant M there. So that 95.86 million, that means they have to buy back 95.86 million shares. That is their obligation. The short interest is how many shares are shorted. If you're looking at it as a percentage, it's the percentage of short shares versus the shares outstanding. If you're looking at it, that 95 million number, then yes, they have to buy back 95 million shares of AMC. That is correct. If you're still learning and you got any more questions, guys, if you got any questions about those Ortex numbers there, please ask them. I kind of take it for granted that people know what all those numbers mean. So if you guys do have a question about those Ortex updates to come across, please, by all means, ask if you don't know what one of those numbers means or if you don't know what all of them means. We could go through it and talk about that. What a tease of a day. I know, Banana Man. I know, Market Combat. And it was. SPY call contracts were down over $60 each. Cost average down on MACD to only $3 each. Loss was a win. Loss was win, man. Well, loss is turning into wins. I like that. Why so many red days? Cade. What, we had like 2 or 3 red days, man? It's not that many. We've gone through many more before that. I may have missed this, and I'm not sure if it's an old topic, but what is the range we as apes are looking to hit before we sell? Oh, dude, the PBD, man, PDB, the range varies by individual investor. It goes all the way up to like $50 million per share now, I believe. Clay, bro, how does this all end? Way too much BS and FUD flying around. Jim, what do you mean by how it all ends? Eventually, they will cover the stocks, okay? So if you got FUD and stuff worried about that, just listen. Let the FUD tell you about the stock price because that's not guaranteed. It is guaranteed that they cover their shares. Unless AMC goes bankrupt. AMC is not going to go bankrupt anytime soon. So I wouldn't worry about that. So they will cover their shares, man. The only thing that you should, if you like to worry and you live a very worrisome life and you need to be worrying about something, just worry about how high the price will go, okay? Don't worry about them covering. Worry about the price and how high it'll go. Like, if you need to worry. I try not to worry about things in my life, but if there seems to be people out there who like worrying. But I would worry about the peak instead of it actually happening. Kathy, thank you. Absolutely, I believe. Thank you for asking a good question there. How we able to tell when prices increases if they are covering shorts, not FOMO buyers? Keith, good question. And nobody knows exactly where the buying pressure is going to come from. And you can use estimated data from Ortex to see what borrowed shares and return shares are coming back and all of that. That's going to be a decent way to get an understanding of what's happening. But FOMO buyers are not going to be kicking in until we start hitting new highs and stuff. And also a decent way to see if new eyes are coming on to AMC so that people can see, like, so you can get a decent understanding of how many new people are jumping into AMC search terms. And those would be potential FOMO buyers. Google Trends, man. Google Trends. Google Trends will show you what everybody's Googling and where it is relative to the past performance of that specific search term. So if you want to see who's Googling AMC, just go to trends.google.com, man, and type in AMC or AMC stock, and you'll be able to see if FOMO buyers are kicking in and people want to know what's going on with AMC at this moment. Fun is simply fluff. Yes, it is. Yeah, I got a question. Is Barry Manilow? No, you rate his wardrobe. No, he does not. But thank you. Appreciate the compliment there. Maybe Banana Man, I think. Might have been a compliment. So, they will cover what is realistic price. I'm not one of those 500 guys. I'll be dancing at 1,000. Yes, they will be covering their shares. Now, whether or not it goes up to any specific price is just completely up to... That's what you should worry about if people got to worry, man. But they will cover their shares unless AMC goes bankrupt. So, I wouldn't worry about AMC going bankrupt, because their current debt obligations don't even come due until 2023. They've got like $2 billion because of all the money that they've raised by diluting the stock and so on. So they're in a decent position right now. Is there a particular spell we should all be changing for this seance tomorrow? Or all be chanting for the seance tomorrow? Do we need the eye of a newt, werewolf fur, or what goes into the potion? I don't want to ruin the squeeze. This is true, Brett. Anybody in here... 1111 Mr. Simon, I think he was the one that said he started to read a pretty crazy book when he was younger and then stopped, and that's the last one. I think he might have the book of potions and spells out there that would tell you what exactly we need on that, Brett. You can turn off lemon share on Robinhood. Hey, can you check if we are heading into a new trend line on the 1 hour chart from 43.40 and up? Yeah, man, let's look at the 1 hour chart, see what we got going on. I don't know, man. Maybe this is my daily trend line that we have right here, and it seems to be okay on a long-term 1 hour chart, and we're kind of just right in that area, man. So I would love to close around 47 to keep this trend intact. But as far as like support level goes, at least we've got a decent level of support around $46 per share and so on. I would really like to close around $47 per share to, I don't know, kind of sustain this trend a little bit that we've got going right here. Okay, my phone is definitely not on silent, so you know what that means. Let's silence the phone so Nick F doesn't yell at me. Alright, silence this bad boy. It is silenced right now. Thank you, Claybro, for not getting yelled at. I like it, man. Okay, where we at? Back! Breakfast Club was on late last night. It has classic one-liners. Yes, that's a decent movie. Do you think they'll make millions? Do you think I will make millions still this year? Espero que sim. Espero que sim. I hope so, Ajma. I hope so. I know you get a decent amount of shares, so I do hope that you make millions this year. That'll be amazing if you do. Guys, I think if we break a new high, the squeeze is in our hands if we break a new high. I really do. If we break a new high, I think the squeeze is up to us at that point. Gary D! All these worry warts, it's just simple. Hold! The squeeze will come. Just don't think on a timeline. Just hold. Gary D, absolutely. And that, my friend, is what we are doing. We are holding. Nick F is just listening over there for silence. Gary D, man, thank you very much for the super chat. I appreciate that. And Ajma, yes, we got this. We got this, Ajma. Man, I really hope she makes millions of dollars. That's gonna be amazing. What is up, Dust? How you doing, man? Whoever is shorting AMC is going fully what? Yes, they're not having a very good day at this point because they're messing up, man. Who knows when we will all know first? Who knows when we will all know first? I do not know. What do you mean? I don't know Portuguese, Maestre. What are you talking about? Look, if you check from 43.77 and up, I think we got a trend line with 3 touch points 1 hour. 43.77 and up. On the 1 hour chart, 43.76. Oh, from here. Okay. Yeah, 43.77 and up. Come on, just a little bit. Yeah, man. Especially if you're looking at this area right in here. No, I think you're right. And it follows like the same slope as that daily trend line I have as well. So, yeah, man, I think you're onto it if you want to put a slightly lower trend line on there. I got the daily trend line going, and it seems to be holding up pretty well. But, yeah, I agree. If you go out to a 1-hour chart, you put it down in this area, and we touched again here, we touched again here, we could be holding up. And, hey, man, we made channel in between the daily and your hourly trend line you got there. But you are correct, man. I didn't know what you were talking about at first when you were talking about the trend line on the hour in the 43.73 or 43.77. I might have missed that the first time around. Clay heard this was the hedge fund's last line of defense. Just wondering what your thoughts are. Dude, my thoughts are that they're not going to run out of defense. They're not going to run out of defensive or offensive options. They're not running out of money just yet, but that's just my take on it. And nobody puts baby in the corner, Rocky Balboa in the Breakfast Club. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's exactly what the quote is. Brett, I'm going to start using that one. Already asked once, but you didn't answer it. Am I straight? Why would I not answer you, man? Why would I not answer you? I always answer you. Nobody puts AMC in the corner. Nobody! I just bought my Roth IRA. I just brought this into my Roth IRA. I could hold this until I retire if needed. Henry is a dangerous man, dude. He don't even mess around. If it drops to 43, I'm buying more. Steroid, brah. I like it. How many people are holding AMC? Like in here? Or in general? The last count was roughly 4.1 million people, but I don't know how many people are currently holding it. Clay, let me borrow money to buy AMC. Vince, how much, man? Hold on, and buy dips if you can. Good plan, Cassie. Good plan. Who knows? When we make millions, trust me, we'll all want millions, and we'll be the place to know when it happens first. Yes, this is gonna be the place. This is gonna be the place to know when that happens. We're gonna make millions in AMC. I hope every single one of you does. I had that book when I was a kid back in Mexico. Back in Mex. I remember I left it in a drawer before coming in the U.S., and after a few months, I went back and the book was gone. Dude, I don't like that book. 1107, I don't like that book, man. Clay, quick question. Quick answer, dude. Is there only roughly 100 million shares of the hedge funds need to buy back, and retail owns 400 million? Couldn't institutions just sell them all back? Yes. Yes, Nick, they absolutely can, man. If the institutions want to limit the short squeeze by selling all of their shares back to the hedge funds to cover those short positions, they definitely can. Now, that does not mean that you guys won't be able to sell your shares during the short squeeze, okay? Please do not expect the short squeeze to have low volume. Expect the short squeeze to be very volatile and have very high volume, because FOMO is going to kick in, retail is going to kick in, and the hedge funds will be covering short positions. So there's going to be drastic volume during the short squeeze. Look at this day right here, 750 million shares traded. Let's say they covered all 100 million shares during this day. You still have 650 more million shares that were bought. You could have sold your shares twice during that day. You could sell more than the shares outstanding. So there will be plenty, and I'm very sorry, there will be plenty of opportunity for you to buy, even if the hedge funds are only covering the 100 million shares that they have short positions out there. And even if institutions sell directly to the hedge funds on those shares, there will be plenty of people who try to time the squeeze. Can't help it if they get burnt. There's going to be plenty of people, FOMO buyers, wishing they get in and hoping to watch it run from 100 to 100,000, and they may get burnt too. So that's why it makes sense. I mean, nobody wanted to get back in here because the price action was extremely boring, right? Well, who wouldn't want to share at $9, $10 per share right now? Anybody would want to share at $9, $10 per share. So I don't know, man. Don't worry about the fact that it's just 100 million shares that need covered, because you are correct. But at the same time, there's going to be plenty more than 100 million shares that are traded during the squeeze. Are they shorting us, or what do you think this is going on today? Josh, I don't know if this is necessarily much shorting going on today, as it is just people selling off. Clay, bro, I got a serious question about shorting AMC. Calvin, ask your serious question, man. Holding for as long as it takes. Me too, Jason. A lot of us could come out with a new transfer of wealth. Not just Lambo and Coca-Cola, but true change. Yeah, Scott, that's the plan, man. That's my plan here. I'll sell back at 100,000. Good deal, Vince. When the squeeze hits and I see you laughing, that's when I sell. Nice, man. Nice. Except I probably will laugh when squeeze does hit before. Like, make sure I'm holding my tablet and stuff too. I'm really hoping to see higher interest and shares. This is going to close. This is about close to Gary, just letting them rob us. I'm a holder, but you know not. But you know not if it's fully rigged. Yes, we do not know if it is fully rigged or not, but I'm with you, man. I would like to see the short interest go up. I would like to see some more people come on, buy AMC with the intentions of actually squeezing AMC instead of just a retail run up and so on. What's up, Jim? What's up, Jim? Where's Jim at, man? I don't even know where the Jim's at. AMCX, AMCX, AMC, Luca! What's going on, man? Hey, Jimbo. Oh, Jim, there's Jim. I was like, where's Jim? Everybody's saying hi to Jim. Hi, guys. What's up, Jim? How you doing, man? How do you think margin calls will get activated? Adrian, I think one of the bigger things that would promote some margin calls are extremely low volume, but also very high prices would be able to do the same thing. Gary's just a snail and a pineapple, guys. I think you all out too much faith in him fixing the stock market. Yeah, you guys don't put too much faith in him fixing the stock market because it's not going to happen. Okay, he's not going to come in and save the day for everybody, but we don't need him. We don't need him. All we need to do is hold the stock. DJ SEC share Gary Gensler defends Reddit investors' right to smash short sellers. And, gosh, nobody's going to get mad if I kill that fly, right? This is a ladder attack. It's disgusting. Well, whatever it is, man, whatever it is. They're shorting. It's just an overall sell-off. I do not like when the price goes down, so I would agree with you on that part. So basically, just watch volume, volatility, and covering. If they start to cover some shares and we take profit, does that mean there's multiple squeezes possible? Listen, man. Yes, there could be an opportunity to continue squeezing AMC afterwards. So I use June, and even you can even go back to January and look at it too. So if we look at June, man, June had the potential to be the short squeeze. This could have been the short squeeze right here, and it may have actually been the short squeeze, okay? So you look at June, hedge funds may have started covering their shares back here at $25 per share, $30 per share, and so on. They may have covered almost all of their shares. And then they watch us stall the price out at $69 per share, and what do? Before they even have to report all of their short shares outstanding, since this only took a week to happen, before they go and even report their short shares outstanding, let's say they did cover all 90 million that were out there, or all 100 million that were out there. All they had to do was short another 85 million up here, and the next time they report short shares, they report 85 million short shares as being outstanding. So this could have been the squeeze, but they shorted it again, and we are still here because those short shares are outstanding. Now, they may have thought, shoot, we're going to get away with this. We're going to get away with this. We're going to cover our shares down here. We're going to take some new ones out here, and they're just going to watch the price. They're going to get tired. They're going to watch the price go all the way back down to $5, and the hedge funds are going to make money all the way from $70 per share all the way back down to $5 per share, and didn't happen. So we may have a June repeat in the sense that, yes, people squeeze it higher, the stock price goes up, and then the shorts sell again at the top or somewhere near the top. So we may be experiencing, or we may come across a round two, or essentially, if you want to consider now a round two, a round three when it comes to AMC. So, like, don't be completely upset if you do get out during what could be a squeeze, if everything looks like shorts are covering and so on, and then it turns out that they ended up shorting more, and we've got ourselves another opportunity. GME got smacked exactly the same the last 1.5 hours. It's hour and a half. It's ridiculous, isn't it, Tom? They trade basically simultaneously. I'm asking this because people say they are prepared. They're prepared my butt, in my opinion. What did he ask? Real question, if by any chance the squeeze doesn't happen, are you prepared to occupy Wall Street again? In fact, I don't think hedge funds are our main enemy. Our main enemy, in my opinion, is the state. Listen, I don't know what the main enemy is, man. I think that the main enemy, because we've seen AMC hit new highs that nobody expected to ever happen, okay? And we, not us, not the apes, right? But retail investors sold off during that, and they limited the potential that AMC had. So I think it's a battle within ourselves, man. When we overcome that, AMC is going to rip so high that the institutions are going to lose so much money that how can they even continue to exist if they're bankrupt? So that is my, if you want to call it a protest or retaliation or whatever, that is where we can hit them, man. We can take all of their money from them, and they will learn their lesson that way. Been hearing a lot of that. We may be driving the price up to the $100 range for Gamma and Luca. It might happen, man. I've said it before and I'll say it again. I hope it's Sanderson sisters who come tomorrow. They're who we need, and I know that's only 3 witches. Spoiler alert: Clay's the 4th witch casting AMC spells. Ow, ow, ow! Get AMC spells going on all day long, guys. That's why AMC always goes up, right? And it never goes back down. 46.46 was generous, Clay. 46.46 is looking generous at this time, isn't it, Crypto Rocketeer? We just keep going down, man. Oh, no. No, we do have support around $46 per share, I think it was, right? Yeah, we get support in this area, man. 46.13, we got some support in here. We might bounce back off of it and go back up to 46.46. I mean, hopefully we don't fall through it, because, shoot, we might be going and testing 45, even 43 again if we break through it, but it's not what I want to see. Man, that's a decline right there. Look at that. Golly bum, that's a nice decline. I don't like it, but still a nice one. Florida boy, what's up, Florida boy? Yeah, I wouldn't fight Florida. Even if you win, they'll bite you, and you'll have hepatitis. It might be possible. But if the government comes up with some sort of shirt to cancel, nah, I don't think the government's going to come up with anything to cancel this short squeeze, man. I truly don't. I wouldn't be that concerned about it. I don't think they're going to come in here and like suspend trading on AMC or say that we're done, this isn't going to happen or anything like that. Number 6 question: why is paying for order flow in dark pools illegal in other countries? A lot of stuff's illegal in other countries, man. In Hong Kong, I believe it's Hong Kong, you can't even short shares in Hong Kong. Like, legal shorts aren't even allowed there. I don't think that India is the same way, but I'm not exactly sure. But I know it is in Hong Kong. So every country's got their own regulations and so on. I know that the UK is very strict on their trading policies over there. So it just all comes down to what they're allowed in that country, man. Who are the Sanderson sisters? They sound fun. They might be. I've been dreaming about this bread. Water is no good west of the Colorado. Water is too alkaline. I don't know if that's true or not, but dude, everybody needs water. Sanderson says, hocus pocus. Gary D, thank you for the update. Anybody was wanting to know who the Sanderson sisters were, hocus pocus. Clay, you are numero uno. You are numero uno, Mr. Simon. See what I did there? If they did that, kiss the market goodbye. Yeah, I agree. I don't think they're going to do that, though. Can the short squeeze happen during pre-market? It can start during pre-market, but I don't think it's going to finish during pre-market. They're not going to be able to find those shares. Can't short shares. That sounds like a boring market. Nick, yeah, that might be a boring market. Listen, guys, shorting shares, a lot of people don't like it. But shorting shares, in theory, promotes market efficiency, right? If you can only buy stocks, the stock price may get inflated. And then the short sellers out there who see, oh, Apple is worth $140, but it's trading at $340 because people can only buy it. It should go back down to its fundamental value. Therefore, I'll short it and make money on the way back down and drive the price back down a little bit to what it's supposed to be valued at. So that's the theory behind allowing shorts out there, is that people should be allowed to make money on the way up, and they should be allowed to make money on the way down, and it's their money to risk, and so on. But that's the reason why people would allow shorting to happen. It's because prices can get overinflated, and people should be able to make money when they go back down. When shorts are covered, that's when the apes sell. When shorts are covering, that's when the apes should sell. My girl already loves seamen. I guess that's why I had to move inland. Yeah, dude, it's difficult when you get so many sailors coming on land. You got so many sailors coming on land. Got to keep your girl safe, man. Clay is my hall pass, and I'm straight. Wife approves. Jacob! That was a good movie. I really liked Hall Pass. Gary D, man! Gary D. Fist, bump. Fist, bump. Fist, bump. And thank you, Gary D, for the fist bump. Gary D, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you very much, Gary D. I appreciate the super sticker. Oh, no. Ladder attack. We got it covered, Mr. and Mrs. Is it Mr. or Mrs. T today? Clay, bro. Is Clay Carnal? Clay Carnell. I'm Clay Carnal, baby. I'm Clay Carnal, whatever that means. Love your content, bro. So, have you changed your mind on the manipulation and corruption in AMC stock yet? No, man. I haven't changed my mind on the fact that, like, you guys, a lot of people think that AMC is so corrupt or the market is so corrupt. There's billions of synthetics and stuff like that. I have not changed my mind in that regard. When it comes to manipulation, okay, I do believe that hedge funds can go out there, they can short the stock a little bit, which is fine, which is legal. And then it triggers panic selling, which drives the stock down even further. And I'm not going to lie, guys, it's a decent tactic. If we could go out there and we had $1 billion to buy AMC with, and that triggered FOMO buying, and it was legal for us to go out and buy $1 billion worth of AMC, and then it triggers FOMO buying, and we break through resistance at the same time, which triggers trader buying, dude, that drives the price much higher than you and I ever could have. So, like, I'm on board with that, but I don't have really a problem with that. Are we going on a trip in our favorite rocket? We absolutely are. Rocket. My dad calls me up today during the 2-hour lunch break, and he's like, Rocket! And I'm like, Rocket hasn't been in the chat as much lately. He goes, what's wrong, man? Why not? I said, I don't know. I think he's too busy for us now. He don't want to hang out anymore or something. We need a green lava lamp. Dude, all I got is orange. I do need a green lava lamp. Are we getting ready to cover Friday, Mr. and Mrs. T? I don't think they're getting ready to cover Friday, but shoot, if they do, it's going to be nice. Clay, bro, we don't have dark pools to use. I know, we need some dark pools, Wesley. Theory, AMC is keeping the price idle to build collateral because post-squeeze, the price will go back to $10, $11. That would work out if AMC was able to either renegotiate debt by issuing shares to them or get newly authorized shares and issue more back in 2022 when Adam Aaron's going to try it for round 3 and try to get more shares out of us. So, yeah, Thomas, could be onto something with that, but I don't know if it's going to last that long. I really don't. The sound you make when the squeeze starts. I don't even know how to. I can't imitate that. Ooh, man, I can't do it. Clever, you think quad witching might benefit AMC? Enrico, it could, but I don't know if it will, man. I don't want to put my money or any bets on the fact that we could see some demand driving the price of AMC up, especially if we're ending lower today, man, and we don't have all of the options expiring in the money that we would expect the gamma squeeze to come from. So I wouldn't put too much. I don't know. I wouldn't put too much faith in that. Sam Blow, it's not his fault. I'm just unlovable. Whenever I see a fatherly-looking man, I say, hey, want to toss some balls back and forth? And they say, no. It's tough, dude. It's tough. We need at least quadruple witching for it to have any real impact. Yeah, you do quintuple. We need quintuple witching for it to have any real impact. Who's the other witch in here? We got the Sandersons, me, and who? Fruit Bowl! What's up, Fruit Bowl? One way to really extend your what now is to really start hanging, put weights, start putting weights around and then just let it hang. Listen, okay, that might work, but then something might not work afterwards. So, to each his own, man. To each his own. I guess it depends on what you're going for there. Functionality or curve appeal. We see the rip we see on the chart is so freaking fake. It's perfectly down. It is perfectly down, man. It does look really nice going down, doesn't it? Like if we were just so nicely moving up the exact same way, that would be amazing. I mean, look at this. It's absurd. Clay, please explain quadruple witching to me. Quadruple witching, man. Oh, I believe it's stock futures and index futures expiring at the same time as options expiries, and there's one more. That's triple witching. What's the fourth one that expires? Everything expires on the same day. It's stock futures, index futures, stock options, and options futures. Maybe. It's four things all expiring on the same day. That's what it is, but I don't know what the fourth one is. Right now I got the three for triple witching, but I don't know if I've got the fourth one right. So if somebody knows what the fourth one is and you want to get it out there, get it out there. But it's everything coming to expiration on the same day. Then a 46 support break. Where are we heading? Deja Capri. I like that name, Deja. I like that. Where are we heading? 46 did not break yet. We do seem to, look, we seem to be boom, 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 boom. It's running into a little wall. We might break it, though, because we're right down here. So we may break it. We may be holding up support at this $46 level. And the $46 support she's talking about is right in here, guys. See this area right in here? That's what we're talking about. So if we do break it, unfortunately, we might be looking at $45, even $43 if we rip down on another wick. No, I don't want the 1 hour on there. Go back to 1 minute. 45.90. It's looking pretty dangerous down there right now. Always together, together, together. Yes, Jason Clay. When you see a day like today, it doesn't make you truly believe that we are just everything with the stock, that they're just having. And you know what, Ross? They might just be messing with stockholders, man. And if they are, here's the deal. Let them try. Let them. They don't have this sort of selling pressure that they can keep going forever. They don't. They're not able to continue shorting or driving the stock price down. If you believe that this is manipulation in the sense that they're shorting to drive the stock price down, they can't do that forever. Okay? They cannot. So, on one hand, it's a possibility, but on the other hand, I would not worry about it. J-Man! Thank you for the popcorn, my man. Ooh, yes. J-Man. Extra butter. So much butter, this popcorn's wet. Thank you, J-Man. I appreciate the super sticker. Thank you very much for the popcorn. And it was wet popcorn, just the way I like it. Good deal, J-Man. It's going to break. It's going to break. It's going to break. It might break, man. It might break. What's it going to do? What's it going to do? Seems to be holding 46.03 right now, pushing us below 45 calls for Friday. Pringleton, they're going to try. This will be Adam Aaron shares getting sold by his broker. Joan de Jesus, I don't think he's selling just yet, man. Plus, when Adam Aaron sells his shares, it's going to be all over. I don't know if I'm going to be the first guy that knows about it, but shoot. Everybody's going to be freaking out on Twitter and Reddit and probably even the Motley Fool. And you're going to see it everywhere. The moment he sells those shares, dude, and it gets reported, it's going to be all over. So if it happens while I'm live streaming, I know one of you guys are going to see it on Twitter. You're going to come running in here. They're going to talk about it. And we will know when Adam Aaron sells his shares. But I don't think he has yet. But Princeton, we had 750 million volume in the last push to 70. Too many paper hands. We don't need paper hands. JB is back. What's up, JB? So when quadruple witching happens, do the stocks go up or down? Yes, they do go up or down. So here's the deal, and I don't know if it was who first started talking and hyping up quadruple witching. I know that Andrew Mo Money talked a lot about it several months ago. Maybe Trey talked a lot about it several months ago. But here's the deal. Yes, they go up or down. A lot of people tend to get excited about triple and quadruple witching because if you have that many options and expiries expiring on the same day and they're unaccounted for, it could cause great demand the following week to go out and what could potentially cause a gamma squeeze. So if that quantity of assets expire in the money on the same day, it could cause the demand to shoot up the following week. That's why a lot of people get excited about it, but at the same time, man, it's like any other Friday. You know, if options don't expire in the money, what are we worried about? If they expire out of the money, it's not good for us. So it all comes down to where the price is and so on. But people put an emphasis on it because everything's expiring at the same time, and it could cause demand to go up if they're expiring in the money and they haven't been hedged for. Clay, bro, you a model? No, man. Last minute, give us one green candle. Please give us a green candle. We need a green candle today. AMC, give us a green candle right now. Look, 46 held up, though. 40, and you guys can see 46 held up. Doesn't look as good when you scroll out and it's nothing but down. But you can see that we held steady at $46 here. At that support line that we had on that hourly graph that I showed you guys a minute ago. We held steady at $46. So hopefully we finish. We finished right now. Looks like 46.06 is the close for the day. So I don't know. Let's see what happens after hours. 46.05, 46.06. It's probably going to continue to test this area. Maybe get a little bit of a bounce into after hours right now. But at least we held 46, guys. That was actually some good work there. Fact, all joking aside, though this quadruple witching is actually the most important of them all, though it's because this quadruple witching is the most important of them all because it's during spooky season. Halloween's right around the corner, guys. Spooky things happen when you got quadruple witches. Of course, we'd talk about it, but would preface that it didn't mean it would go up or down. Okay, talking about quadruple witching. Yeah, I know that a lot of people talk about it, but Coors seems to have a slightly more conservative opinion on things, and that I would guess would line up a little bit more closely with mine. And dude, I don't know. You guys, some people might think the Coors is boring or whatever, but I think the Coors has a good head on his shoulders. So that's one heck of a ladder attack. Yet still, I'm not worried. You built different, Mrs. T. I like it. Yeah, you are wacko. I know, Cassie. I know it happens. Speaking of spooky season, I'll go to Silo X with you if you promise to hold my hand. Dude, I would scream if we go to this. I'm assuming Silo X is a haunted house or something. I don't want to go to no haunted house. Shoot, man, you guys want to see? You don't want to see me crying, do you? The goal is to now try and push it under 42 tomorrow to clean up the September 17th calls. GD, if that's their goal, I think their goal is to push it all the way back down to $5 per share, $4 per share, and so on. If Adam sells, would that be a bad thing for the apes and the potential squeeze? Tom P. I don't think it's going to be bad, but I don't know. Like, a part of me kind of hopes that he sells so that people stop calling him the silverback and thinking that he wants AMC stock to squeeze. But at the same time, I don't want him to sell because people who truly think he's like some sort of a silverback AMC squeeze leader, you know, they might come to reality. So it could be a win-win, it could be a win-loss, man. It could be a lose-lose. I don't want people to freak out over it because the dude is here for AMC and AMC only. So it might open people's eyes to realize that. I like Matt Kors, and I watch him daily. Sometimes he's not that nice, which makes me sad. Hashtag sad, man. And you know what I'm saying? Salad, dude. Though he's got good DD. Dude, I really didn't know what we were doing with the hashtags there, with that nice, sad saying. Nice, sad saying. No, I didn't know what you were talking about there, but I do. I watch Matt Kors in the morning just to see what people... Listen, I watch, and this is... I don't want to admit to this, but because Astro is getting a lot of traction right now, I do jump in his stream to see what kind of things people are trying to come up with next, and hopefully field some of these questions from people who realize that you can't predict the future. And so I see what he's got going on in there. Matt Kors, I jump in his stream to kind of gauge the sentiment on the day because people really let him know how they're feeling in there. So I do jump back and forth between a lot of different streams. Even if I'm not active in the chat, I jump back and forth between those. And yeah, man, I don't know. I like Matt. He's a good guy. Nick F, that's a nice way to spend some time and a good chunk of change. What's Nick F doing? Been busy with replacing a water heater. Nice! Nick F, water heater, man. Anybody need a new water heater? I think Nick F's going to hook you up if you need a new water heater. Matt Bort is definitely coring as crap. I see what you did there, man. I see what you did there. Keeping your toes, man. Keeping you on your toes, man. I just threw some random hashtags on my message for no reason to see what you do. Didn't disappoint. Very good. Sam, I didn't see what you were doing there, but I'm glad that you did. I'm glad I'm on my toes, man. JB, I thought the average days dropped is somewhere covered and replaced by new ones, bringing them right down. Yeah, the average days. So they say they did. I don't know what the average days on short positions are right now, but the last time I checked, it was like 50 or 60. Mariah lost money on AMC. Mariah, did you sell your shares, or when did you get in? Mr. I'll say, I don't know if anyone's ever told you this or not, but your profile is a bit offensive. Mr. I'll say, I don't even know if it's me or what now. Oh, Mr. Clay, my night shift is about to start. See you tomorrow. Thanks for the nice stream again. Tom P, enjoy your night shift, man. Stay awake and have fun. Don't work too hard. Music all day. Yes, Astro does like listening to music. Clay, are you being a stalker? Yes. Petey Pete, yes. You gotta know what's going on, man. Gotta know what's going on. Watching other YouTubers. You got to know what's going on, man. And I hope that everybody else does as well. So, I don't know. Astro, you watching right now? Matt, you watching right now? Probably not. Trey, you watching right now? Probably not. Andrew Momoney, you watching right now? Probably not. Who else we got? Vigilante, you probably watching right now? Vigilante probably is watching right now. Ape Father, you watching right now? Probably not. Lou, you watching right now? Probably not. Oh my gosh, why does nobody watch my channel? Forbes, you watching right now? Probably not. Finance News, you watching right now? Probably not. Anybody even watch my videos? Any other YouTuber out there watch my videos? Messed up, man. Personally, I think it's going to be a bad day when Adam Aaron sells. People panic every time insiders sell. It'll be short-lived, but will fall heavily that day. Yeah, Crypto Rocketeer. It could, man. I just don't want people to put too much reliance on the fact that he's selling or anything like that. I know who doesn't need water heater. It's Kenny G, because that boy is in some serious hot water. Already, hashtag. Nice. He is already in some serious hot water. That was the most horrendous attack I have ever seen to end the day. Lots of sold shares in this. Terrible. Danny Oliver, what's it make you want to do, man? Rage buy? Call for an Ortex update. Nick, you got any Ortex updates out there? When I'm not at my job, I ask people to do the same job. Hey, can I watch you taxidermy possums for a while? It's not stalking. It's cross-training. Yes, it is, man. Cross-training. There you go. We know TMI. TMI, yes. And Short the Vix. Forgot those guys. TMI and Short the Vix, actually very nice guys. They've let me on their channel several times. And I actually do hang on in their live streams as well sometimes. I'm just gonna... But TMI often streams while I'm streaming too, so it's a little bit more difficult to jump in TMI stream. Short to Vix, he streams at night, so it's easier. Why would you just blame this on paper hands when you can see with your own eyes the stock price was laddered down by Hedge's high-frequency trading? This isn't retail. This wasn't retail. It was computers. Captain Brian. Not just shorting though. Okay, if they were just shorting. Oh, man. If they were just shorting and they did this for at least 3 hours, they would have shorted 5, 7, 6. So they would have shorted roughly 12. I don't know. Let's just say 6, 13, and another 6. 19 million shares today. Dude, I highly doubt you that they opened up another 19 million short shares to walk the stock price back down to where it started the day at. I highly doubt that. My bro, easy on the beer. What's your prediction for tomorrow's close? Easy on the beer. I will definitely be easy on the beer. I don't drink beer. And tomorrow's close, up, dude, up. We're going to be closing at $48 per share tomorrow. I do watch your videos. Derek, thank you. Appreciate that. I'm going to rage buy another 100 shares if the things keep dipping. LFG, race fueled. I love it, man. The B. Hayes shows. B. Hayes show, yes. The B. Hayes show, watch maybe. He follows AMC. B. Hayes used to comment on like every single one of my videos, and I don't see him commenting on my videos anymore. So I think he grew up, man. I think he flew the coop, and he's like, I don't need to comment on Claybro's videos anymore. But B. Hayes, shout out to you, you're doing very well, man. I don't watch all of B. Hayes' videos, but yes, I do watch some of B. Hayes' videos. And then Jay Ingram, I just watch that guy just to make sure he's still in good health, because you never know. It's old age, man. Never know when it's gonna close, when it's gonna catch up to you. AMC Trapper says close above 55 tomorrow. Dude, if it closes above 55 tomorrow, AMC Trapper's getting a shirt. Okay, he's calling it now. AMC Trapper's getting a shirt if it closes above 55 tomorrow. It was Elon Musk. He shorted it. Dang, Alfonso. Elon's always messing with it. He wants to drive our money back out of AMC and into Doge. Whoop, I'm back, but I have to go eat lunch now. Pancakes! What are you having for lunch today? Another burger or what? If they're synthetic, who knows? Like the election process. Yeah, Jack, if they're synthetic, nobody knows, man. Nobody knows. But, you know, real synthetic shares are reported as failed to delivers. So if you believe in some sort of like fake share, fake factory for fake shares, then yeah, I might be able to get on board with you, but not real synthetics. Clay, what does reverse hammer on the daily mean? Basically the exact opposite of yesterday, man. The bulls. Guys, we are definitely fighting. So since we're at a level of support right now, this is basically the exact opposite of a candle, okay? Yesterday, the bulls tried to push us, or the bears tried to push us down. Bulls fought back and closed higher on the day. Here, it's the exact opposite. We tried to run today, right? We knew that sentiment was hopefully going to carry over. Can't believe I always do that. We knew that sentiment was going to carry over, or hoped that sentiment was going to carry over into today, and it did, right? But the exact opposite of yesterday happened. We ran right back down, and now we've got an inverted hammer here, and we could potentially, since we... Where's my... Well, something got messed up with that line. Since this daily run-up that we have here is potentially being broken now, we are at a very pivotal point with this $46 level of support. So if we see the bears continue to take charge tomorrow, and not only have we broken this ascending level of support, this ascending trend line, but if we break the $46 trend line as well, we could unfortunately see a downtrend come into play. So very, very significant with the hammer and the inverted hammer coming into play back to back right here. This $46 level is extremely significant, and hopefully we can hold it. Anybody playing UVXY or VXX plays for the crash? I am not. If anybody else is, let AMC Trapper know. Terrible, Mariah. I know. It's terrible when we lose money, isn't it? It's just terrible on red days. And hopefully you're just as enthusiastic on the green days when we are making money. Lost money, my friend. Mariah. It's crazy, isn't it? Lost money today. You made money day before. So I don't know why you're that upset. Ortex update. Thank you very much, Crypto Rockets here, because Nick, I'm sure, posted that somewhere, and you're repeating it for Nick. And I'm just missing it all over and over and over again. So thank you very much, Nick and Crypto Rockets here. Ortex update. Estimated short interest change, 0%. Borrow change, 3.03 thousand. Estimated current short interest free float, 18.76%. Estimated current short interest, 95 million shares. Cost to borrow, minimum, 0.65. Cost to borrow, average, 2%. I like that. Cost to borrow, max, 36%. Oh, my goodness. Guys, 36% cost to borrow means that I don't know, that's the maximum, so that's not everybody. The average is only 2%. But they're paying 36% annual interest to borrow AMC to potentially short it. Terrible on their end. That is very expensive. Tomorrow it shoots up. Dr. Buddha, I love it. Hey, Claybro, rest of options went good. Profits got me another 10.5 shares of AMC. Frank, I love it, man. Nick F. Boom. Got it with the SPXS. Very nice. Clay, please explain the DTCC November thing. Jason, what is the DTCC doing in November now? The best I can explain it would just be to completely ignore anything that the DTCC and NSCC are doing. Because as you've seen over the last 8 months, every time somebody posts a Reddit DD on what the DTCC and NSCC are doing, it does absolutely nothing. So I don't mean to be like rude about that, but it happens so often that people get hyped up about new rules coming in, and then it doesn't do anything. But I also say that because I have not seen anything today about what the DTCC is doing in November. Remember the day before we shot up to 77? Dip before the rip. Let's go. That's a lot of covered calls. I missed it. Thank you for what you were doing in this community. I don't know where you get the energy and passion. Marky. Well, the passion comes from within. like anybody's passion in life. The energy, dude, I don't know. It must come from being able to sleep good at night. I mean, dude, you sleep well, you live well. I think that's got to be it, man. It's got to be it. Because I'm still in the same exact cup of coffee that I had this morning. Like, still got that much. I haven't even drank a full cup of coffee today. Clay, go on Short Vix at night. I'm on for him, too. We would love to see you on the live stream. Pancakes. I could, but here's the deal. Like, I don't want... Sometimes I do, and I go hang out in the chat, like on Short the Vix's stream and some other people's stream. But I don't want people to think that, like, just because I go in your chat, I want to be beamed up and join the live stream or whatever. It's their stream. So, I don't know. I feel kind of bad when they're like, oh, yeah, jump in or whatever. It's not my intention to go in your stream just so I can be on your stream or whatever. I want to show other people support as well. DTCC 4029. Ooh, 42069 or 4029. Okay, I thought it was 42069. Changes the font size on all internal memos. This will trigger the squeeze. Probably will, Brett. Probably will, because you loved closed captions. I might. Clay, that was rude. It happens, Petey Pete. It happens, man. Petey Pete! Thank you for the super sticker. Petey Pete says, thank you, Petey Pete. Thank you, Petey. Thank you, Petey. Thank you, Petey Pete. Thank you, Petey. Thank you, Petey. Thank you, Petey Pete. Thank you very much, Petey Pete, for the super sticker. I appreciate that, man. And hopefully that wasn't as embarrassing. Oh, man. That chair's actually ripping. It's not good, man. It's not good. I gotta sew that chair back up. I didn't think it was that fat. But apparently I'm ripping chairs over here. So, oops! Gotta get that chair fixed. Didn't think that would happen. And maybe that's what sounded like it broke the other day. It wasn't the actual wood. It was... It's not good, dude. Anybody know how to sew? Want to come fix my chair? Anybody know how to sew? Asking for a friend. I need my chair fixed because it's ripped, apparently. The toe just got stuck in it. Bigger font, bigger squeeze. Exactly. What's intimidating is the Times New Roman size 10 is saying that what you're doing is illegal, or Times New Roman size 12 saying the exact same thing. That's what I thought. It's much more intimidating when it's bigger font. Claybro, when is your interview with C. Payne? Probably never, Jack. I don't know. He's probably never going to talk to me. I don't know why. Charlie boy, if you want to talk, I'll talk with you, man. I promise. I'll talk to you. You're so wonderful, Clay. Thank you. I'll say it if I want, or say TF if I want. Say the fun things that I want to say, too. You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. Stacks Ape Nation. Clay, do you think the second largest Chinese retailer, or realtor, not retailer, going bankrupt will crash the U.S. market, thus causing the short squeeze? No, I don't think so, man, because even if they go bankrupt, they're still going to be able to sell all those assets that they got out there, and then it's going to be fine. I don't know who has loans out with the Chinese realtor, what is it, Evergrande? I don't know how to pronounce it, but I don't think it's going to have as bad of repercussions as we had when we destroyed our real estate market back in 2007. PDP! Thank you for the super chat. PDP says, let's break that chair, Clay. It's time to... It's time to fly. Cape. Thank you very much, Pete. I appreciate that, and my goodness, you guys don't understand the toll that just took on my breath. Oh my gosh, man. Breathe out like that. That'll make you dizzy. Oh my goodness. Pete, thank you for the super sticker, and thank you for letting me catch my breath right now, because, dude, I thought I was going to die on that one. Wow. All right, now I'm not dizzy anymore. Good deal. Thank you very much, Pete. I appreciate that. Charles Payne. Johnstown. Somebody hooked me up with Charles Payne. I'll talk to him. I had some fabric rip on a throw pillow and a duvet cover, so I bought a little mending machine and then realized I don't know how to use it. Still ripped. Dang, man. It's ridiculous. Brett, somebody needs to fix this rip in my chair right here because I don't like it. I could just switch chairs, though. That chair is the exact same chair. I should probably just switch chairs. Evergrande, bro. I just refinanced. Oh, no! You're fine, Sam Blow. You're fine, man. The cape, yes, the cape. Cape was the added touch. Clay, can you put a line where we close today? Crypto Rocketeer, yes, I can put a line where we close today, man. What are we at? What did we close at today? Hold on. $46.04. We're just gonna move your line down. $46.04. This is where we close today. Cool. Got him! Got him. That's where we closed. Right there. 46.04. That's actually a good idea, man. Calls on Clay's chair. It's ripping right now. It's actually true. I don't know if it ripped right now or if it ripped yesterday when I heard that sound, but my toe just got stuck in it, so it's definitely ripped. I had to teach myself how to sew. Well, Chris, come over here and teach me and help me fix my chair. Chicken salad, because I had a big cheeseburger yesterday. I'm hungry. Clay bro, come eat with me. Pancakes. I need to now because you just said chicken salad. I had a chicken salad last night, and now I want a big burger. Actually, I want to do the opposite of what you just did. I want a big burger. Oh my gosh, I'm getting. You shouldn't have said that. I didn't even think I was hungry until you said that. Yeah, dude, I want a big burger. I do want a big burger now. Me! Oh, you're so sweet, Clay, bro. Be careful. Might fall in love with you. Well, what do I have to be careful for? You should be careful. I still want a big burger. Like, I will come eat a big burger with you. No problem. Young Valor, I guess losing millions better than losing billions. Yes. Why would the hedgies be waiting if they're losing millions of dollars? They're actually losing billions of dollars on their short positions, but because they think it's going back down, man. It's very simple. They think it's going back down to like $4, $3 a share. That's why they're waiting. Careful, though. If you sow, you'll have to reap. This is true, man. He who sows shall reap the rewards. Come on, it's always rewards. Use an iron-on patch to fix the hole in your chair. You know what I could do? I could just put a sticker over it. I do have plenty of stickers. Would it be weird, like if I just put a sticker over my chair hole? If that's not weird, then I say that sounds like something I'm interested in because that sounds really easy. No, AMC Trapper. This is an inglorious hole here because I don't want a hole in the fabric of my chair. So, safe to say the only thing that starts the MOS is margin calls. Seems they will never voluntarily give up. Junior, possibly, but they may be willing to, because hedge funds aren't dumb, guys, right? They're not dumb. They may be willing to cover if we start to hit new highs, knowing that FOMO buyers and retail buyers are going to start jumping in as well and drive the price up. So they in that aspect, the hedge funds could cover at least a decent position or decent portion of their shares, watch the price move much higher than they covered at, and then short again there. So they'd be profitable at that point. So they could short, or they could cover the shorts in that scenario as well. Bye, Silly Clay. Oh, Pam, stay with us, please. Oh, yeah, we got the original Petey Pete in here, baby. Oh, yeah. Oh, man, I got to be so careful with this chair. A Petey Petey, a Petey Petey, a Petey Petey Pete, a Petey Petey Pete, a Petey Petey, a Petey Petey, a Petey 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 Pete, a Petey 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 Pete, a Petey Petey, a Petey Petey. A Petey 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 Pete, a Petey 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 Pete, a Petey Petey, a Petey Petey, a Petey 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 Pete, a Petey 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 Pete. Thank you very much, Petey Pete, for the super sticker that gets your blood pumping, guys, that gets you going, that gets you ready for the LPD Pete. And anybody going to your Christmas party this year, okay? Somebody request the LPD Pete to play, and I don't even care if you like request La Cucaracha or what do you request. Somebody needs to do the LPD Pete at their company Christmas party right now. Who's calling it? Who's gonna do that? If you guys do that, I don't know, man. If you guys tag me in a video of like you actually doing the LPD Pete at a Christmas party, I might just have to send you a shirt for doing that. Because that sounds like something I'm interested in. Who's Pete? Jason! What do you mean who's Pete? Petey Pete right there, man. That's Petey Pete. Oh my gosh, DJ Clay sounds good. Who would do that? I think if you actually tag me in something and you're screaming like LPD Pete while you're doing it, I think I might give you. That seems like it deserves a shirt. If you're at your company Christmas party, man, and you get out there and you do the LPDP, yeah, I don't know, guys. I feel like we should have a sick Christmas giveaway, especially with some LPDP merch. Need to write that again. Crypto Rocketeer, AMC Trapper. What now? You need to write what again now? I don't even know. More spring is pressed, more the bounce. Mahi AA. Yes, the tighter that spring is wound, the better it will rip. Put an eye patch on. Put an eye patch over it, Captain. I should do that, but I don't have any eye patches here. Get a cushion cover. I could do that, but actually, I don't think this cushion detaches from the chair. I think it's all one piece. Just you know, thank you. You'll say whatever the fun you want. We all needed to know that, so thank you, man. I appreciate that. No, y'all. Can the hedges cover in shorts in their dark pool? Is that possible? Yes, it's possible. They can cover in the dark pool, but please do not think that the dark pool price is not reflected on the price that you see. It absolutely is. Hurry up, come over to Cali. Oh man, she's even throwing the burger emojis on there. Now I completely forgot about that doing the PDP. I forgot that I was even hungry, and now I'm really hungry again. So. How much does a burger cost in California? I feel like a burger in California is probably like $19. I don't even know if I want to go to California anymore. What is happening before the close? Cali! Are you a little upset, man? It's alright if you are. I wouldn't be that worried about it. It was just a down day today. It wasn't terrible. We finished down 1.71%, man. It wasn't that bad. Scared of the dark pool. Johnstown, don't be scared of the dark pool. I'm going broke. PDP, never go broke, man. Never go broke, PDP. Please. Last Christmas party, I got really drunk and started acting like one of the Price is Right girls, showing off the raffle prizes they were giving out. To be honest, I'm embarrassed. But to be more honest, I'm not. No, dude, that sounds like fun. And you should definitely do the LPDP at your Christmas party, man. Everybody should do it. Think about it, man. What if you actually started to pull out the LPDP? And by Christmas time, we had even more subscribers, so more people are going to know what the LPDP is, and all of a sudden, you started to bust out the LPDP, and then there's like 3 other people at your Christmas party that says, LPDP! And they start doing it too, man. They're like, LPDP, LPDP, LPDP. The DJ even knew what it was going on, and he's like, LPDP, LPDP, LPDP. And he's like breaking down some mad beats, dude. Dude, you could just revolutionize your work experience. Post squeeze, you'll still want to work there because you know how people are amazing. So, I say you do it. I say you go for it. I have 20,000 positions. FML. Was it retail or shorts? I would say a little bit of a mixture of both, man. If I'm going to be honest with you, I'd say a mixture of both. I like my whole sticky crypto rackets here. Interesting. Neo Wolf. I don't know. Sticky's never good. Don't put sticky stuff on your belly. No, don't do that. I don't want to put a sticker on this chair anyway. California burger tax is $6 and after. There's no way a burger costs $30 in California. There's no way a burger costs $30 in California. And I'm talking like a burger at a decent place, like, and I don't even know what that means because here you can go out and get a burger at a sit-down restaurant for like $10 to $15, okay? 15 would be on the more expensive side. So if you're telling me that it would cost me $30 for one burger, no. In that case, pancakes, you're gonna have to come to Ohio to eat a burger, and we're not eating $30 burgers in California. What happened today? Skype! We went down after the lunch break. I think it's because I took a lunch break today and we went down. We ended 1.70% in the red today. Not horrible, but we did have a pullback. That looked like a systematic sell-off on AMC. The sell-off did look beautiful today. I mean, it really did. If you take out the 1-minute chart, scroll out, I mean, that did look like a beautiful sell-off today. There was like barely any retracing. Look at this. Look at this right here. Hold on. I mean, come on. That is incredible right there. I don't know. That looked like a really good one. But 46 held up, so we should be glad that 46 held up. They took us down to 46 tomorrow. That just means we go back up to 56. Come on now. I hope we get it. Okay, maybe we can do something with that chart there. Tennessee's where it's at. It might be 37 for 2 combos, a golf course. Yeah, on a golf course, though. If you're in California, I guess 37 wouldn't be that bad. It costs $30 if you use DoorDash, man. You order, it's like $8, and suddenly they add their DoorDash razzle dazzle, and the receipt's suddenly $249. Oh my gosh! Don't use DoorDash, guys. Go get it yourself. If my steak isn't 400 plus, I don't want it. I don't really know. Listen, guys, I don't really know if Montre is making this stuff up or not, but if he is, people typically like change their story up, while they're lying. But either he's created this online persona that he knows really well by now, or he's just that dude. And at this point, I'm starting to believe that he might just be that guy. Not that guy, pal, but he might be that guy because, I don't know, he's very consistent. If he's a liar, he's very consistent. So I say he might be telling the truth. Who's selling? Yeah, I'm sure institutional investors and some retail investors are. California Burger, $12.59 or so. Cali, thank you very much. Sounds normal. Sounds normal to me. Stay calm. I will always stay calm. Don't get upset or too excited. I might get too excited. They want us to go through this roller coaster feeling. Look at the big picture. And the big picture is we buy, we hold, we squeeze. I went up to random people loitering on the street in a bad part of town, said, you selling? Several people said yes. You got to tell them to keep those diamond hands, Brett. Got to keep them gosh. If you go up to people in a bad part of town and they paper hand, I'm telling you, they're going to ruin it for all. So tell them to keep those diamond hands. Better not be selling. The beef and shrimp ramen cups are the best. Dude, those are like the 2 worst, man. It's chicken. You got to go with chicken. Beef and shrimp. I don't know about that, man. They had crystal hands. Crystals break before diamonds do. So you got to tell them to get those diamond hands, man. Patience is key to wealth. Brandon, that's deep, dude, but I like it. It's true. Clayton, California burger is $30 without patty. You order that separately. That's $30 for a loaf of bread, man. No, not for a bun. You don't pay $30 for a bun. No. 2,000 realistic squeeze price. Everybody holds the 2,000. It's absolutely realistic, man. Powdered hands and crystal hands. No. We need diamond hands in here. Times 3 or 4 kids eating those $12 burgers. John, what is it, man? What is it? Do you have 3 or 4 kids? John forgot how many kids he has. Oh my gosh. John, you've been in the game too long, dude. You've been in the game too long. He doesn't even know how many kids are eating burgers when he goes out. Yeah, but you're talking about a sit-down restaurant, right? You're not talking about, like, McDonald's. Got my shares at 46.01. Love buying the dip. No, 1 kid. John doesn't even know if he's got 1 kid or 3 or 4 kids now. John, you're making me worried, man. You're making me worried. Yo, yeah, those crystals went up in a puff of smoke. Gosh, what happens with diamond hands fall into paper hands, man? But Five Guys, I don't even know how much Five Guys cost. I wanted Five Guys the other day, but I didn't get it. I got Bob Evans and ended up with that pumpkin bread story there. I was gonna get Five Guys instead. My brother really likes Five Guys. Family, $50. Yeah, but you can get into $50 too at a sit-down restaurant with just like 2 people. $30, then dine in is $3 extra. Takeout, $2 extra. 11 Simon, I feel like you might be making stuff up, man, because that sounds way too expensive. Five Guys is good. Five Guys is good. I really do like Five Guys. Yo, Clay, bro, what's up? Good afternoon, bro. Sid! Good afternoon to you, man. Hopefully you're having a good day. Holder. Claude is a holder. It is true. Claude, were you still in BBIG, man? Because I think it was back up 10% today, wasn't it? Day traders. Well, I am day trading the options on AMC, but not the last 2 weeks. I need to take vacation because all the money I lost in support, I'm going to have to pay for the extra bags because I'm a bag holder. What about BBIG, though? Did you do okay on BBIG? Five Guys is good. I like Five Guys. 11 Simon, don't forget the surcharge if you want your fries in a container without that, they just hand you a fistful. There's a fistful of fries right there. Put it down in your pocket. That's why you gotta wear cargo shorts, man. That's why you gotta wear cargo shorts. You always got room for fries. Darn it. I'm out. I'm out of coffee. Brett, I'm actually willing to believe that one. I might be willing to believe that one too because, you know, who wants containers? Nobody. Still holding AMC at 653. Sid, I love it, man. 653 here. I still ain't selling for nothing. Iron Hand Apes here, bro. Iron Diamond Hand Apes. We got Iron Hand Apes in the chat. I like it. A lot of people here seem to like Five Guys and a lot of people here seem to like guys. 5 at once. No, Crypto Rocketeer. Five Guys is a burger place, man. We don't like Five Guys all at once. Where's Lauren? Where's Natalie? I'm upset. Where is Lauren? Where's Natalie and where's Lauren? I don't know why that comment reminded me of Natalie and Lauren, but where's Natalie and Lauren at? Dinner by EA, you pay the plates and potato. The rest of the meal is DLC. Frank, man. I don't get your acronyms. Somebody help me on Frank's acronyms there. Best to barbecue your own creation. John Blair. It probably is best to do that, man. We should use the dips. Hedge funds are literally doing their best to scare us, not going anywhere until it squeezes. PD Pete. Yes, man. Yes. Guys, they freak out just the same when it runs up as we're sitting here freaking out if it goes down. 1%. 1%. I mean, look, 1.71% is all we closed down today. That's it. It's nothing to worry about. Diamond encrusted titanium hands. Now, Neowolf is on to something there. I think AMC will move sideways for some time. Yesterday's hammer is canceled with today's inverted hammer. This will ideally form a big cup and handle. Mahi, AA, it absolutely could. I think that we could, I don't know, at least 46 is a very strong level of support. So I would say that the hammer and inverted hammer are definitely showing that 46 is a level we're okay with right now. There's a reason they aren't in here, Clay. It's crazy, man. It's crazy. I don't even know what the reason would be. I'm trying to use my brain, but don't even know what the reason would be. I just want them in here. Bro, best part of Ohio is La Rosa's Pizza. Justin, never had it. Now I need to try it. Come on now. Clay, read Brett's message to me. Crypto. My brother told me about Five Guys when we lived in Dallas, and they weren't here yet. When I tried it finally, I texted him. I tried Five Guys, and it was awesome without any context. Yeah, but your brother knew what you were talking about. Come on now, Crypto Rocketeer. His brother knew what he was talking about. Clay, bro, what's happening, man? What's up, Sid? How you doing? Speaking of bros, a Dutch Bros Coffee had their IPO a few days ago. A great bro coffee. They got you. Great bro coffee they got. You got to try it. Was their symbol BROS? If their symbol's bros, if their symbol's bros, I wanted to buy that simply because of the ticker. I didn't do it, but they're doing very well. I don't know how they closed today, but they were up today and yesterday. So if their symbol's bros, I would assume, right? Can you say hi, Anna? Hi, Anna. Absolutely, I can. 1, 2, 3, 4. MCCM. Hello, Anna. Neowolf, thanks for your opinion. I'll stay with mine. Yes, Neowolf and Dave Raymond. You guys both got your opinion. I like it. I did not see what was going on with it, though. Sam says, I don't know what to do with more than 3 guys. To be honest, y'all are super inventive. Sam Blow doesn't even know what to do with 3 guys. Well, get 5 guys, man, and it's going to be delicious. Oh, EA releases incomplete video games. Okay, the rest of the game is downloadable content. See, if I knew that, the only thing I know about EA games, EA Sports, it's in the game, something like that. Because I used to play FIFA, like 1998 or something, on probably N64. So, dude, my gaming knowledge is not there. Frank. I'm sorry about that, man. Dutch Bros is up 30% today. Nice, Sid. Yeah, I knew they were doing very well today. You seriously think MOS will happen? Yes. Seriously, I do. If we break a new high, I think we're there. So I do think it'll happen. How high it goes, I don't know, but I do think we're gonna squeeze. Yeah, I can maybe do 4 if I've had my coffee, but 3 is my usual limit, and 5 just, oh man, I'm gonna need to stretch and have a cigarette first. Oh man, just gets rough, doesn't it? I would buy 5 guys if I could. John, you can, man. You can. Why can't you? You're loud. Clay, can you say hi to Molly from Bridget? Making my lovely daughter realize where her inheritance will be coming from. Apes holding strong in the UK. Molly from Bridget. Very sorry if I hacked up the name of that town there, but Molly, how are you? Hopefully you're having a good evening. You think AMC and GME will merge? I do not think they will merge. Hey, bro, if the market crash, you know we're screwed. Why? Solid on. Why would we be screwed if the market crashes? Markets crashed several times in the past. Why would we be screwed, especially in AMC, if the market crashes? Oh my goodness. Just destroy that tripod there. Of course, Dave, to each their own opinion. No, hey, bro, just saying short squeeze plays plan won't be changed by them doing that. That's all I'm saying. Yeah, I don't know what we're saying, but I do hope that the short squeeze plays do not change. John, how much, man? How many? How much? Oh, how much? 5 guys. Sam wants to know. You could start 1 right there. How much you offering, John? How much you offering? He'd buy 5 guys if he could. Clay, you looking like Wolverine from X-Men, bro. You need to shave. Mr. Diamond Hands. That's my goal. I hope Molly is not reading the chat. Poor child. Molly is not reading the chat. It's all right. But shout out to Molly. Sam, how much what shares? How much what shares? How much what shares would a what share if a what share could share what? After the squeeze, I'm going to order extra bacon at 5 guys. PDP living his best life right there. I love it, PDP. Respect your opinion. Food for thought. Thanks, Neil Wolf. Absolutely, guys. How many shares would a woodchuck? How many shares would an ape buy up if an ape could buy up shares? How many shares do you have? Tom, how many shares do you have? Oh my goodness. AMC trading sideways after hours, sitting right there at $46.04 per share. Exactly where we closed. We are just trading. It looks like it's got some decent action in there, but no. It's been sideways at $46 since about $3.50 this afternoon. For the last 50 minutes, we've been doing nothing but trading sideways. And unfortunately, Natalie is back in the red right now. Darn it, Natalie. I was really rooting for you. I'm going to say it one more time. Average cost $12, holding forever. Tyler! Say it more than one more time, dude. It's all right. You can say it as many times as you want. Tom says 11. Very nice, Tom. I like it. Cost to borrow average. Is it true? It's 36%. No. Well, the cost to borrow maximum, Stig, is around 36. The average is 2%. 1,100 divided by 3366. Is that your cost basis right now? Or what do we got going on with the 1,100 divided by 3666? That's your cost basis, I assume. It's Claybro's fault we didn't moon today. I know. He clearly didn't pour enough salt in his eyes. I take the blame, dude. I take the blame. I'm telling you. Cost to borrow max is 36. Yes, it is, Mr. Diamond Hands. Average is 2%. So some people who borrowed are paying 36%. The average is only 2%, though. What's up, Claybro? What's up, Jay Styles? How you doing, man? Gotcha, John. I knew it had to be something like that. Something we can all agree on. Respect you both. Yes, man. If you want fries, you have to pay for the container. Also, the bag you pay for is one. There's no way. Guys, is this true? I don't even know if you guys are messing with me anymore. How many shares would a share bear? How many shares would a share bear share if a share bear could share shares? Vinster. A lot? How many shares would a share bear? How many shares would a share bear share if a share bear could share shares? I think a lot. Or maybe not many. Got my coworker to buy AMC today. He said, all I can do is 1 share. I said, man, that's all we need. I'm going to convince him to buy more. I'm cool. Nice. Get on it. But I'm glad he's with us. Tell him to watch the channel as well, man. Hang out in here. He's going to have a good time. All of a sudden, your entire office or your entire workforce is just going to be hanging out with us. It's going to be nice. Clay, my options got sucked today. If you... Oh, got something else. Maybe not sucked. Today, you think I'll make money on my 50 calls expiring in January. 99. If you're asking me if I think that we can go back up before January, absolutely. I do think that we can. I'm happy right now. John! I'm happy right now too, man. I use more plastic with Austin's bag ban. I have a big pile of reusable ones in the cart. Forget them. There's an actual bag ban going on in Austin right now? What world do I not live in? Sounds like Clay's began casting spells for tomorrow. Let's go. How many shares would a share bear if a share bear could share shares? How many shares would a share bear if a share bear could share shares? AMC's going to go up tomorrow, guys. You're welcome. Oh, my AMC dropped. Tamra, yes. My AMC also dropped today, but it was only by 1.7%. It's all right. Bought more today. Ready for MOAS. Stick. Very nice. Thank goodness. Yes. 99. I do not think that it will go down from here on out. Hello, Clay. Hello, Arson. How are you? My call options got smoked today. A lot of people's did. Really tight a ladder attack and having in the last 2 hours, but still holding strong. Just wondering, are you holding call options? I do not have any AMC options. No. Yeah, we haven't been able to use plastic bags for like 5 years. Really? Dude, I live in a different world than you guys, man. I really know. I'm sorry. I live in a completely different world. Received an email today from my broker asking if I wanted to make money loaning out my AMC shares. I said no! We're getting close. Good deal, man. But I don't even know if they were going to pay you to do that. I think they're just going to let you loan them out. He would share all the shares that a share bear could share if a share bear could share shares. Dave, that's a nice share bear, isn't it? That's a very nice share bear. Brett, wow. Just wow. I know, it's crazy, isn't it? Silicon stands still. Somebody needs to know. What did Simon say? What did Simon says? Simon says silicone is steel. Something. Or the dreaded paper straw. Just what I want. A straw that's mush after 3 sips. Yeah, I don't know. There's a straw ban going on too. Have you ever tried like drinking an iced coffee out of a paper straw? It's not good. What if we all lend them out and then they're borrowed and then together we all decide to disable lending? Do the shorts become naked shorts or they got to buy them back? They got to buy them back. They got to return those. So if you call back your lent out shares, they got to give you your shares back. They're not naked. They just are required to be returned at that point. You already know what I'm going to say. If it sounds like something you're interested in, so let's get started. Yes, Odin. I can finally start with 10 minutes left since you are here. Thank you very much. And it does sound like something I'm interested in, so let's get started. Someone said he loved me once. I will never forget that. Such a nice guy. Yes, he is a nice guy. But I don't know if we could all lend them out and then recall them. But I wish we could. Odin is ready to go. Which Odin comes in so late. Odin, make sure you click the like button. I really got to fix this chair. I'm upset. Love you, bro. Love you too, Odin. Share the live stream. Don't be afraid. Tell your brother. Had an x-ray on the knee yesterday. Still waiting on what they're going to do. I hate needles. Everybody does. Also, gave me another neurologist for the permanent migraine. Need to make money. Come on, AMC. Let's go, AMC. AMC trading extremely flat after hours. $45.97, down another 0.15%. Closed the day down 1.71%. But at least we are trading right around support at $46 per share right now. That's what I like. I do not like this decline we had. But guys, it basically just brought us right back to where we opened up today. So I wouldn't be completely upset by today's price action. When we touched 48, we couldn't handle 48. Boom! It looks like a mountain, though, doesn't it? Like, that looks like a mountain right there. Look at the slope on that bad boy. My goodness. It's a black diamond if I've ever seen a black diamond before. We got black diamond hands, baby. Oh, yes. Anybody going snowboarding? Boom! Black diamond right there. You had to have black diamond hands. Well, dang, man. What are you getting ripped for after hours? Come on, now. We don't need none of that. We don't need none of that there, AMC. Come on now. You know, okay, go back up. There you go. Good. Gonna be an all-nighter. Antics. Since today was a tease, that led to disappointments. Oh man, not gonna call. I'm not calling an escort to help me. And today was some satisfaction. She said she'll be here at 8. Get the economy back. You're not calling one. We got you. You're not calling one. Does that mean you're calling one? Hopefully tomorrow's a green day. Johnny, I also hope tomorrow's a green day, man. This is practice for the MOS. It is. Tamara, hopefully you got those black diamond hands and you're ready to go. Thank you for keeping me entertained while I work. TD214, thank you for keeping me entertained while I work. Black diamond, I miss her. We all do, man. We all do. Green or red tomorrow? Yes, Mr. Diamond Hands. We will end green or red tomorrow. No, I'm hoping for a bounce tomorrow. I'm hoping for a bounce off 46 and we rise up, but I'm not exactly sure. Beach Guy Bo. What's up? Beach Guy Bo, what up, Clay Bro? How you doing? Mr. Diamond Hands could be either. Yes, he could. What about cost? What about cost? I'm not in cost. Is anybody else in cost right now? Oh man, I wanna see you rise. I wanna see you rise up. Come on, AMC. Man, what a. I don't know. I'm not worried about it. I just wish I had more coffee so I could take a drink right now, but I don't have any. Consider today the makeup day we missed on Labor Day. Chris, we could consider today the makeup day that we missed on Labor Day. Yeah, sure. The retracement tomorrow should be great. I hope it is, Oil Tips. Oil Tip, you stream it tonight or what's up, man? People need to know. Vigilante going live today. Laughing at all the people tripping. We're down under 2%. Beach Guy Bo, 1.71% down today. Nothing wrong with that. We closed at $46.04, sitting at $45.92 right now. I always go Big Weeble, but I forget to go Big Weeble on the actual screen. Sitting at 46 or $45.92 after hours. We closed at $46.04. At least we had support hold up, and the previous close was $46.84, but we opened the day at $46.48. So it wasn't drastic, man. I'm still okay with what we had going on. Do you think AMC will squeeze this year? Mr. Diamond Hands. Here's the deal. I think that AMC could hit some new highs this year. So as far as like what we do with those new highs is the question that I would be concerned about answering with the rest of this year. If we do the exact same thing we did in June and we run up to maybe $150, $200 and then people sell off for some reason and the shorts jump back in, we might be in the exact same position we're in right now. However, if we don't sell, if we watch the price run up, then yeah, I think it's highly likely that we see it, because I think it's highly likely we start to see some new highs in 2021. So that would be my answer to that, man. I do think we could hit some all-time highs in 2021, but what we do with it is what's going to determine whether or not we actually see the squeeze this year. Stand back! AMC defibrillator coming out, so let's go. Everybody, clear the area! Purchased another 260 shares today. Tomorrow I may purchase more if it drops below 46. Very nice, Norm. I like it. Here you go. Thank you very much, Tamara, for the coffee. I appreciate that. Let's see. Tamara's got those diamond bros out there. Thank you very much. Yes, we're still above 45, so today wasn't nearly as bad as it could have been. Neo Wolf, 100, man. We could have dropped back down. Remember we tested 43 like yesterday? So I wouldn't be too worried about it. 43.77 we touched yesterday. So it's okay. Remember, AMC is trading time, not the actual value. Algos are set to drag this stuff out for as long as possible and collect premiums from the options trader. We need 1, margin calls, or 2, very low volume. I love it, man. I love it. Very low volume would also likely trigger margin calls. Oh, dude. You're the man, dude. You're the man. Really want to quit my job today. Needing a squeeze. Chris, what are you going to do? Post-squeeze, man. What are you going to do post-squeeze? Because I don't want people hating their jobs while they're waiting for the squeeze either. I don't want people to be like upset with their lives while we're waiting on the squeeze to happen. Yeah, we got some decent green candles coming in here right now, Tamara. Very nice. Thank you. Tamara, sorry for hacking your name up once again. Is it weird that volume dropped to almost 0 the second the market closed today? Amy, Joe. No. After hours trading is typically very light, so we had 4,000 shares, 1,000 shares, 1,000 shares, 267 shares, 1,300 shares, 255 shares, 141 shares, 1,900 shares. After hours volume is typically very low. We had 284,000 shares traded in the last minute of the day. So it's not that bad. Claude! Oh my goodness, Claude. Thank you for the super chat. I decided to buy my wife a Porsche Cayenne hybrid. I need like 85,000. Let's get 85,000 for you, Claude. I predict we go to 60 next week. So I have the 48 call ending next week. I'm going to spend 12,000 AMC. We'll buy a Porsche. And then I'm going to shout, rocket. Dude, I love it, Claude. Buying $48 call options expiring next week because he thinks we're going to 60 next week. I love it, man. I love it. Keep it up, Claude. I hope we get that for you, man. Oh, my goodness. Dude. Okay, hold on. We got to watch this. I got you, Mr. Diamond Hands. Two seconds. This is, we're gonna raise this bad boy up here. He thinks we're going to 60, and he's got some 48 options. Okay, it's too hard to touch exactly 60, so that's gonna be fine. This is Claude's Porsche money right here, baby. Oh yes, it's Claude's Porsche money right there. And dude, look at that trend line. We could make it, man. We could make it. Oh yes, dude. If Claude grabs some Porsche money next month or next week, who in here hopes that Claude grabs a Porsche? Who in here hopes that Claude grabs a Porsche by the end of next week? Because I certainly do, man. Good luck to you, and thank you very much, Claude, for the super chat. Mr. Diamond Hand says, Clay. Thank you, Clay. Appreciate you always answering our questions, man. Mr. Diamond Hands. I also appreciate you always asking questions, because that's half the battle. Somebody's got to answer them, somebody's got to ask them. I can't answer questions that nobody asks. So thank you very much for the support, for the super chat. Absolutely awesome. And tomorrow could be a good day because we've got webcams chat, hot girls and boys video chat in the live stream right now. Me. So AMC Trapper, 99, and Sean hope that Claude gets a Porsche. I do too. So Claude, I hope you get your Porsche money next week, man. Yo, I love you. You're still live. Jason, only for a couple more minutes, man. Petey Pete says, boom, let's grab that Porsche tomorrow. Hope that he gets a Porsche. Neo Wolf also does. Where do you get your hair cut? Hexstar. I cut my own hair, man. So I'll upstairs bathroom. That's where I get it cut. Woo! Photo finish. Webcams chat. Webcams chat coming in hot right at the end of the day. Very nice. What effect does 74% dark pool trading have on the S&P? On the stock price or the S&P? What are you asking? Are you asking S&P or stock price, man? Porsche man, good luck. Absolutely. I hope he gets it, dude. I hope Spider Claude gets the Porsche and some gas money. DD214 coming in hot with the gas money, too. Claude, we got you, man. We got you. Brett, I like the sound of that. What did Brett say? Woohoo! Photo finish webcams chat. Oh, webcams chat. Hot quadruple witches. Neil Wolf says, I like the sound of that. Remember when you asked if anyone's dad is in here? My mom works for Hot Boys and Girls Webcam, so technically the answer is yes. I have a parent in here. Very good, Sam. Very good. We've got a parent. Does anybody else have a parent in here? Or my parents the only ones that hang on in this chat? Clay, what's your position on AMC? How many shares? Jason, no, I have not. And I don't listen, man. And I know some people are like, well, you need to be transparent and things like that. I mean, I can agree with that, but at the same time, man, I'll tell you that my cost average on AMC is somewhere, it's either 1350 or 1380, and I have not said how many shares I have. We can talk about percentages, we can talk about things like that, but I'm not going to ask you guys, like, how much money you have, how much debt you're in, or how much money you have in the bank, how much money you make, things like that. So, no, I have not discussed how many shares I have, the size of my portfolio, or anything like that. Cost to borrow max, 36%. What's the significance of this? Matt P. Significance of this is that it's very expensive for some of the holders out there to maintain their short shares. Now, the average is only 2%, but the higher the cost to borrow, the harder it is to maintain those positions because they're paying 36% annual interest on those short positions that they have out. Click out the Flow B, the cut your own hair kit. Well, I don't know if there's such a thing, but I do cut my own hair. Hey, shout out earlier, Molly from Bridge, and was great. Bridget was great. She wants to keep her Mini instead of a Lambo. Discuss. I will keep my Kia Forte instead of buying a Lambo. So I think that Molly is on the right track to be doing very well in life. She's got a car she likes. I say keep it. You don't need a Lambo to make yourself happy. You just need a good old car, and it sounds like she likes your Mini. So, very nice, Molly. Very nice. Hey, bud. Thoughts on Evergrande helping the start of the Mother of all short squeezes? I don't know if it will, man. I don't know if it will. I don't know how much the fall of a realtor or a property developer in China is going to affect the price of AMC. Percentage is cool, but other than that, we don't need to know or deserve to know. That's your business. However, percentage gains, I feel, is somewhat important to know, and I understand that question. Yeah, because, you know, percentage gains, man. You can invest $5 in a stock and triple it, or you can invest $500,000 in a stock and triple it. Either way, you did great. You tripled your money. Claude, if you get a Porsche, man, I'm getting a new Harley and a Mustang Cobra, my dream car. Good deal, Norm. Shoot, nice Shelby GT500 Super Snake sitting in the driveway post squeeze. Oh man, that sounds beautiful. I want my Toyota Tundra. Let's go, Sean. To all the eyes on us, I do not blame you one bit for divulging your numbers of shares. Well, thank you very much, Beach Bow. I appreciate that. Guys, it's 5 o'clock. It's 5 o'clock somewhere, right? And it happens to be right here. So you know what the deal is. Let's get the shout-outs in the chat right now. If you want to shout out, get your name out there. I'm going to be absolutely, just calling everybody out. And all of the links in the description below, make sure to click on all those. Even if you don't even do anything with it, just click on it. See what's going on. What else we got? Claybro883 on Twitter and Instagram. If you want to follow me, I will likely follow you back. And let's see, you can meet my YouTuber whose daddy was rich and has 80,000 in AMC, and they could be down 50%. Yeah, it's true. It's true. See you tomorrow. Pete. See you tomorrow, man. Guys, let's get the shout-outs flowing. Patrick, man, shout out to you, Kev, AMC Tramper, Sam Blow, Norm, Sean, Beach Bow, Sam Blow again, Neil Wolf, Jason, Pete, 99. We all love you. We all love you, 299. AMC Trapper, boom. Sorry, Beach guy, wrong person, missed it. Neil Wolf, Vastille, Nate, Claybro, Nate F. See you later. Franks, have a good evening. Leon, see you later. DD214, Deborah, take care. You as well. Pringleton, have a good night. Pringleton, I know it's getting late over there. MC, Shelby right here, 1965 Cobra. Very nice, MC. 925 reviews, see you later. Have a good night. Crypto Racketeer, always dabbing on them. Tamara, right? Hugs for the later family. Love you too, or you too, Claybro. Thank you very much, Tamara. Guys, the video will be out tonight at 8 o'clock. If you want to try and be the very first person to like and comment, SD is going 2 nights in a row. He's got his streak on there 2 nights in a row. You guys can try and take that streak tonight. Later, Clay, Race Fueled. See you later. JS Justice, see you tomorrow. Absolutely, guys. Tomorrow, if you're new here and don't hang out with us, tomorrow morning, 11 a.m. Eastern Time to 1 p.m. Eastern Time, and then 3 p.m. to 5 p.m. Eastern Time as well. Videos always out every night at 8 p.m., so make sure to check out for those. Good night to you, John, Bastille, Jason, Jacob. All of you guys have a wonderful evening, and if you want to say it with me, say it with me. Until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.